Alright guys, so the market's about to open in 10 seconds. I'm looking at Apple. I want to see what Apple does with yesterday's close right here at 115.54. And that's it. Let me reset my charts. Oh man. So alright, so already broke above yesterday's closing price. Let's see what happens if it holds above it. Here's a 15,200 on the 5-minute chart. See how much these calls are today. I have $398 to settle cash. I've settled funds. So hopefully we can make something happen today. Probably want to get in some calls on this. It's so tempting to get in right now. But I have to wait at least a couple minutes and see what happens. Because the first minute is just... I think I want at least another 5-minute candle. So we're above on the 1 minute. We're trending above all the MAs and VWAP and yesterday's closing price. Yesterday's high is way up. It's way up there. 118.85 is yesterday's high. So if it wants to get up there, see what the daily looks like. So we're right at the, I don't know, we're right at the 9 MA on the daily. So we might not, it's just testing yesterday's closing price right now. Look at this. Here comes the 200. I'm not sure what type of setup I want to do on this. Or what call it, or what. Let me see if I want to do calls or puts. See what the next 1 minute candle and the 5 minutes gonna look like. Because I don't like this one. Oh yeah, pull back. So I may want to get definitely looks bearish. I mean, it didn't even gap up. It opened right underneath yesterday's close. So I might want to get puts on this. I don't think it's going to hold. See what would be a good price. Strike price 115. I might try getting in one right here. See what happens. If it could fail, so I got filled. If this thing goes higher, I might add. It's 92. I've never done this before, but I think this thing's bearish. It's at 91. My average is 95. So if it could get, so there's 90. $89. Oh boy. This thing bounces off this 115. Then I'll add one more at 85. Maybe I'll try. No, I missed that. Cancel. 86. Oh boy. Maybe I don't want to add. Damn, I think this thing is gonna fail. I'm adding 2 right here. So I have 3 total. Come on, I want to see this thing ripped down. No, don't do that. I think I could afford to do one more. Come on, we need this thing to fail. I'm just going to sell all 3. I'm trying to make a good video here, though. With some decent profit. This same thing's happening to me today as yesterday. Where I'm getting this consolidation sideways. When I'm in this trade. Something needs to happen. I'm either going to lose money or make money. I'm not breaking even today. Look at this. Come on, man. Something happened here. Alright, we'll have to pause it because my daughter's over here. Alright guys, we got a good move down. So I sold all 3. As soon as it ripped down, and it's ripping down more, but I didn't want to be too greedy. So I ended up having 3 contracts and let's see, $21.39. So that's not bad. That is a gain of, let's see, custom. 5.37%. So almost 5.5% of my account today. So now I'm at 420.05. So that was a pretty good trade. It was making me a little nervous, and I could have squeezed out a little bit more out of that. But I could have squeezed out a lot more. So I had the right entry, and I held through this, which kind of scared me a little bit. And I actually added in 2 contracts on the push down instead of scaling in going up. So that's going to be it. This thing is still moving. Let's see what my I still have over $100. I could try to get into one more. This thing's still pushing down, but I don't want to find. This thing's gonna have to bounce, right? Alright, so I might see what this thing does at this moving average right here. If it could hold it. Just for a quick one more scalp. I mean, I hate to go negative. I'd hate to lose my profit. But I don't see this thing going up. I mean, it's making lower highs and lower lows. I think I might try to get a quick scalp right here. No. I'm gonna let go right there. Another quick little scalp. Last contract. So now I'm up 28.17, which is a great 7% of my account today, which I can't complain. This is a good day. So positions, order history. We go. So I bought one, 937 for 97. I got filled at 95. Then I actually averaged my position up. So I bought 2 more at 96. So I think my average is probably 96 at that point. Then I sold all 3 at 103. Then I bought, that was a couple minutes, and I bought one contract at 107 and sold at 114. And it's still going down. I could have made more money on that, but I'm happy with what I got. So that's going to be it for the day. and 28.17. I'm happy with that. So thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.